ok dương mơ bắt đầu tiết practice nè is he a businessman practice and what is he a businessman nè ta có cái chia nè chấm nuôi men rư look at the picture of okay the girl and Sarah nè mình chụp bị nè they where they are okay okay they go mà bị United States okay United States I nơi khinh nông New York City okay New York City okay okay and ní mà bị cái Mexico okay mà bị Mexico okay his phone number okay his phone number này nãy phone number nóng dương mơ máu lấyประมาณ phone number nóng okay his phone number này nãy lấyទូរស័ព្ទរបស់គាត់មានលេខទូរស័ព្ទទេយើងមើលគាត់មានលេខទូរស័ព្ទទេអូខេលេខទូរស័ព្ទរបស់គាត់ប្រមាណអូខេលេខទូរស័ព្ទរបស់គាត់យើងដាក់មកអូខេណាលេខទូរស័ព្ទរបស់គាត់ប្រមាណ5544 5546អូខេ5546 24 73ហើយនឹងប្រមាណទៀត10 12ហើយអូខេនឹងលេខទូរស័ព្ទរបស់គាត់គាត់មានអាយុ42ហើយនាងមានអាយុ33អូខេមានអាយុ33ចបរបស់គាត់ជា taxi driverគាត់អត់ទៅការទេដាក់ no មកបានហើយហើយគាត់រៀបការហើយតែ yes មកបានចប់តែប៉ុណ្ណឹងអូខេនឹងយើងមើលទៅលើហ្នឹងអូខេអញ្ចឹងយើងមើលទៅបន្តទៀតគេឲ្យយើងឆ្លើយចំនួននេះអូខេ listen again and check ask and answer the question with a partner is the girl from Mexico City bà con mà bị Mexico nó kêu là yes he is okay is he a businessman no he is not okay no he is son okay no he isn't okay tất cả mình dùng sai spi các mình dùng sai sắp án sai spi ấy okay yes he is tập bên năng máu ba này is he married okay no đã máu he is not no he isn't okay chẳng những cái lấy từ mơ Sarah vì mà đòn is Sarah from the United States yes she is chào máu okay yes she is okay yes she is này đã lời này mất á này chùm lại cái yes it is okay giờ mơ to tiết is she a nurse okay ta có cái chia nurse hả no she is son yeah Okay, no, she is. Okay. Is she 33? Yeah, she is. Okay. Is she married? Yeah, she is. Okay, dừng lại. Tập phần nâng mà, dừng lại, dừng máu. Cái nhát nè. Okay, dừng mơ bà tỏ là tiết. Talk about Dico and Sarah. Dico is from Mexico City. His last name is A. His last name is. Okay, Sarah is from United States. Last name is. Mà lấy dừng mơ tới. Okay, talk about you. Nè, chẳng dừng gì luôn chàng. Okay, what's your first name and what's your last name? Okay. What's your last name? And this is dân số bị tì tăng. Where are you from? Okay, where are? Okay. Where are you from? What? Okay. What? Okay. Your phone number. Okay. How old are you? Okay. How old are you? Okay. Giờ mở tiết. What's your job? Okay. What's your job? Okay. Giờ mở tỏ tiết. Are you? Okay. Are you say okay? Are you married? Okay. Okay. Are you married? Này đẹp comment. Okay. Okay. Nè. Giờ mở hỏi cho nè. Okay. Lời dân mở từ khóm tiết in group. Nè. Nó khả cầm nắng ask and answer the same question. Nè. So ให้เฉลยทั้งจำนวนเลยคืนนี้มาเนี่ยจังมันเนี่ยอุทธรณ์เนี่ย complete the question เนี่ยเห็นไหมก็เป็นประโยคจำนวนนั่งยังធ្វើតាមគេនឹងមកហើយនេះ writing so say write about another student read it loud okay read it loud okay loud okay read อ่านខ្លាំងឮមក her names okay her names អីគេមក She's from Korea. Her phone number is ចឹងមក blah 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 មកអូខេចឹងយើងមើលទៅលើរូបភាពនេះគេលក់ស្អីនេះចឹងយើងមើលមក check it ហ្នឹងពិនិត្យវាមើល put a check okay put a check នេះ agree នេះokay next to the correction 10 okay មើលទៅលើប្រយោគនេះទី1គេដាក់ she's name's Anna okay មើលគេដាក់ her name's Anna okay លេខ2 her job is teacher okay យើងយកអានេះមក teacher okay she's a teacher ណែ okay ហើយលេខ3 his phone number is ត្រូវទេ his phone number is okay and more I'm not a doctor okay giờ năng anh I'm not a doctor okay and okay they aren't from Taiwan okay they are no from Taiwan no they aren't from Taiwan okay and number 6 she is no married she isn't married okay លេខ